Good afternoon. Just check voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Screen is visible.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good afternoon once again. Let us start engineering mechanics up to where we were there. So just we will go to 2 to 3 steps just behind. So what we have seen. Okay. So quickly we will see. So we seen principle of law of transmissibility of force. Principle, or we can say that law of transmissibility of force. Okay. In that we have discussed the state of rest of uniform motion of body is unaltered. Unaltered means unchanged. It will remain unchanged or it will not change if the point of application of force is transmitted to any other point along the line of action of force. Okay, so here just after discussion, is there anyone from our class who will explain this? What is this? Is there anyone? So in your own word, you can explain what it is. Principle or law of transmissibility of force. You can take help of English. If it is not possible, you can take help of your mother tongue. But you should be explain what does it tell. Anyone? Dipali, roll number 3. Is it possible for you to explain this? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sakshi, 6 roll number.
Yes, sir.
Is it possible for you to explain what does it law of transmissibility works? Huh?
If the body is at rest or in uniform motion, then that state of body remains as it is. If the point of application of force is moved or transmitted to any other point along the line of action of force.
Very good. Absolutely correct. 100% correct. Very good. So likewise, your understanding should be there. She has told absolutely correct. So there is no change in the wording or statement also. So if you can take your own language help, no issue. But concept should be clear. Means in short, I have told what we are going to shift. Point of application of the force we are going to shift. Where we are going to shift? Along the line, anywhere along the line of action of force. And what is not going to change? Effect due to that force on that body will not change. Effect means state of rest or state of motion. It will not change. Means in short, if there is any force, so here it is a force. So you can say here it is a force F. So irrespective of if force only, here it is only one force is there, force F. So if at all we will apply that force at point A, or I am saying or it may be at point B, effect due to that force will not change on that body. This is called the law of transmissibility of force. Means we can transfer the force. Where we will transfer the force? Along the line of action of force. Its effect will not change. Likewise, it was telling. Different examples we have seen thereafter. So there are certain examples which we have seen. Then after that, actual transmissibility means we have given point A, point B in this way, and how it is transmitted we have checked. Then 2 terms we have seen, which are they? One is resolution and another one is resultant. So resolution means one to many and many to one. Can anyone tell quickly what is
One
resolution?
to many.
Resolution 1 to many, resultant many to 1.
Yes, resolution is one to many, means converting the given force into many components. That many is nothing but only 2. We have seen that also. And resultant means many forces we are going to convert into one. It is nothing but what? Resultant. So what care we have to take once we are going to convert many forces into one? What care we have to take?
Effect
Effect
should be
as
same.
as it is.
Yes, effect it should remain as it is, or that effect due to system of forces, it should not change. Effect due to system of forces, it should not change. That we have seen. Thereafter resultant. or parallel collinear forces can be done by simple algebraic. So it is just an example. Most important thing, sign convention. Can anybody tell quickly what is the sign convention for force? Which force we have to consider positive, which force we have to consider negative?
The
Force which
force
is along
along the
positive
positive
axis
x-axis
is
or
positive.
positive y-axis considered as positive.
The force which is along positive x-axis or along positive y-axis is
Positive.
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 Okay. And which force we are going to consider negative?
The force along
Along
negative
Force
negative
along the
x-axis or negative
y-axis
y-axis.
and negative
is
axis is
negative.
considered as negative.
Yes, the force which is along, we can say, or towards negative x-axis and negative y-axis will be considered as that directions are most important. This even in last lecture also I have told this one is most important while solving problem. By mistake, suppose is one of the component we will take some different in sign, your total final answer will go wrong. Suppose for a particular force, if you will take one of the suppose y component as a negative and it was expected that it is positive, you should take positive instead of positive. Suppose for one of the force, one of the component you have taken wrong, your answer will go wrong. Final answer will not come correct in that way. So that we will see. So one mistake in your sign convention, etc., will affect more in final answer. Or your final answer, instead of affect, I will say it will not come correct. So that care you have to take. So this one was sign convention we have seen. Then resolution. We have seen the method of splitting a force into its component is called, without changing its effect, is called resolution, that we have seen. So here x component and y component. So actually one to many is called a resolution, but here practically in how many components we are going to resolve our force?
2.
2. And what will be the nature of that components, or how will be that two components?
Perpendicular to each
Perpendicular to
other.
Very good. That two components will be perpendicular to each other. So though we are saying in general, we are going to convert one force into many, but here we are going to convert one force into its two component. One will be, how will be one and how will be another?
One will be vertical and other is
and
horizontal.
other will be horizontal.
Okay, partially correct. One is horizontal. It may not be always. It may not be always, because one will be along the plane, another will be perpendicular to that plane, because particular surface not necessary it should be always horizontal. What I am telling, just remember, you will come to know that while solving problem. So one is along the plane, more specific, more technically correct. That is also correct, horizontal and vertical. Okay, but up to certain problem it is satisfied. It is satisfied. But if the surface is inclined, it is not horizontal, then we cannot say horizontal and vertical. So in more specific or more technical word, we can say one is along the surface and another one is perpendicular to surface. In that way also we can say. So here trigonometry, etc., we have seen. We have completed rectangle. We applied sine function and cosine function for the triangle BCD. We found horizontal and vertical component. So here I have given one thumb rule while calculating the component along the plane and perpendicular to plane. For which component we have to take cosine function. Likewise, I have told. Along the plane or perpendicular to plane. For which function we have to take its cosine function?
Along the plane.
Along the plane.
Along the plane. If the angle is given with the along the plane, that with that surface, then we have to take cosine function. Okay. Are you remembering this? So here same formula came here, because this angle is given with the x-axis, that's why x component. Then we have seen description of forces resolved in 4 quadrants: first, second, third, fourth. In that way, how we can describe the force in different quadrants. Okay, so here as far as your multiple choice questions are considered, just you have to remember. So here I will write quickly those of some of, or we can say some of you might be missed lectures, what I feel. So that's what So sign convention, those who have missed the lecture, for them just we have seen, quickly I will draw. How many quadrants? Which is this quadrant? So this is x-axis, this is y. So it is just a revision. Already we have seen this. Okay, which is this quadrant?
First quadrant.
First quadrant.
First quadrant.
Which is this?
Second.
Third one is this, and fourth one is this. We have seen. Okay, so what about sign convention? Here,
Plus.
Plus.
what is plus plus?
Both
What
are
is this? But what is this? Plus
X
plus?
and Y axis both are positive.
No. It is very basic. What we are observing, which two components will be positive in first quadrant? That is my expected answer. Coordinates are positive. Huh.
X component
X
and Y.
component and Y component.
Of whom? Kunacha? For a given force, any force, let it be any force. So that you remember. Otherwise, this is everybody is knowing. In first quadrant, X coordinate is positive, Y is positive. In second, X is negative, Y is positive. That is okay. But now more specific, I am telling. So it may be asked in your final exam. If force is in third quadrant, its Y component is. What will be answer? In third quadrant, Y component is
Minus.
negative.
Negative.
It will be negative. In that way, you should remember. That's why I'm writing. Those who are missing the lecture in between. So what will be here? X component. First, we have to write X component. What will be X component?
Negative.
Negative.
Negative. Then Y component?
Positive.
What will happen to third quadrant?
Negative.
What will happen to fourth quadrant?
Positive.
Negative.
Positive, negative, in this way. So you should remember this. So that also we are going to solve problem, but this is also important. Okay. This we have discussed. So these are the components. Further, same is given. So in which quadrant this particular force is coming?
First quadrant.
First quadrant.
In first quadrant, sorry. It is coming in first quadrant. So both components are positive, X and Y. Here in second quadrant, what is happening in second quadrant? Fast
X
reply.
negative, Y positive.
X component negative.
X component negative.
X component is negative. What happening here? Which is this quadrant? So if I
It's
will say
along to negative X quadrant.
third quadrant, if I will say it as a F, then this one is third quadrant and both are negative. So here I will say X line, here it is F, which is this quadrant?
Fourth
quadrant.
Fourth quadrant. Then what will happen here? Both are
X component.
X component positive.
yes, X component is positive, Y is negative. So this one is fourth quadrant likewise. Then here the examples were there, just we have seen. Then we have seen principal directions of the force. How many directions are there? Principal directions?
4.
Which are they?
North, south,
North, south,
east, west.
Very good. North, south, east, west. Okay. What is the meaning of due?
towards.
Now I will ask question. A force of one of the question only I will ask here, not more, because already we have seen. So one of the force of 15 kilonewton is due north. Due north. What will be its X component?
Minus 50 kilonewton.
Very good.
0.
Minus 50 kilonewton.
Minus 15
Kilonewton.
Newton.
What will be its X component? Minus 15.
X component. na,
X component.
No, are you not observing on the screen what I have written here? What I have written here? Are you observing screen? A particular force of 15 kilonewton is acting due north. Suppose like I say statement is there. A particular force of 15 kilonewton is acting due north. What will be its X component? Have you listened carefully? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question कळाला काय? What is my question?
Sir, please repeat.
Repeat question once again, sir.
Okay, a force of 15 kilonewton, 15 kilonewton is acting due north. Is this here only I have written, no, due north. What will be its x component? What is this? What?
Zero.
Now,
0.
Zero.
0.
are you sure?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
those,
sir.
are you sure? If then let me know who has given answer as a 15 minus 15 kilonewton. Kuni kuni answer दिलं होतं minus 15 kilonewton like this, or what is your logic? ज्यांनी कोणी म्हटले होते, those who have said that answer is minus 50 kilonewton, what is your logic? कशावरून वाटलं हे असं? Everything is in front of you. You should not make such mistake. It will make a lot difference. Okay, are you getting? Very simple, no? If due north means, is it force towards right hand side, left hand side, upward, downward? Where will be this force? Due north?
Upward.
Upward.
This force will be something like this, upward. This force will be something like this, upward, 15 kilonewton, 15 kilonewton, upward. And what is asked for us? What is asked for us? X component. If particular force is vertical, what will be its horizontal component?
Zero.
It is zero. It is zero.
0.
It is very simple, because this we should know. It is zero. I don't know which logic you have applied, so you don't make hurry in this subject. At least think once, twice, thrice, whatever you are telling, whatever you are writing, is it correct or not? Okay, so it looks like very simple, but I don't know. I once just I have uttered the question statement, I got many responses like minus 15 kilonewton. I don't know why, on which basis. Again it is minus, again 15. Force was given this positive 15 kilonewtons. Some of you are, not all actually, some of you given answer minus 15 kilonewton. So it should not be. It should not be. So what should be the answer? What should be the answer?
0.
Zero.
It should be 0. It should be 0. Likewise, in n number of questions you can prepare on your own. N number of question only on this. So at the initial only I have given what is the meaning of due. Due means towards. Chakade. It is going towards north. It is going towards west. It is going towards east. Likewise, along. But how? It is along. So this word is that is equally important. Along, in this way. Getting? So don't make mistakes. Don't be hurry. Take your time. Think once, twice, thrice. Then only you should reply. Okay, I am not expecting such answers. Okay, immediately you should not give answer. Please think it. Have a thought and then you can tell. Numerical resolution. After that, we have seen numerical resolution, how it is. So that whatever rule I have told, it is that only. If with the one of the surface angle is given, along that we have to take its sign, nothing else. Okay, next one is this problem. Those who are absent, for them I am taking revision. So first problem, then after our actual problems we were started. Okay, out of that we have seen first problem. What was the given?
Component of force.
Component of force are given.
Force is given.
Force.
Again you are making hurry. Who is he? You should not make hurry. What is given in this problem? What is given? I think we have solved this problem, no?
Force is
Magnitude
given.
and force, direction of force is given.
For the force, okay, given. For the force, suppose P is equal to 40, no? 40 kilonewton, and direction is also given. Direction is given. We are supposed to find its components, two components. So just with the beginning itself, I have asked you in which quadrant this force is coming. So it is something like this. So where it is coming?
Third quadrant.
Third quadrant. And as we discussed in third quadrant, what is the sign of x component and y component?
Negative.
Negative. So here we have just tried. So it is if at all we will increase its line, it will be something like this 40 kilonewton. Okay, it will come here, and this one will be your third quadrant. Okay, so initially you may feel this force is in first quadrant, but at all you are going to increase its line of action, it will go in third quadrant. So here what will be its x component? What was the formula? First, now already we have solved.
Px minus is equal to minus p cos theta.
Okay, minus minus, or I will write sign, or shall I write here only so that there will not be confusion? Just a bit, okay, so minus p. Why we have taken minus? Why we have taken minus?
In third quadrant, x
Why
and
we have
tan
taken
theta.
cos, not sine here for the x component?
Because angle made with
Angle
x
made
component.
with x component.
With x component. And what was the answer? Tell me. Already we have solved. First
34.6.
minus. Let us say minus
34.64.
64 unit will be kilonewton. No. Then py. Or here I will write. Okay. So this y component. Now I will write here now. Now y component. What will be y component? What is the formula? Py is
equal to
Y
minus
is equal
p
to
sin
minus
theta.
p sin theta.
minus p sin theta. Very simple. Minus 40 into sine 30. What will be that?
20
Minus 20.
Minus
Plus 20.
Minus 20. Very simple. Very simple. With the beginning, those who are absent, so they can note down. So on the other way, how we can show like this also? 64 kilonewton, and py will be minus 40.
20 kilonewton.
Sorry, 20 kilonewton. So this will be our answer. Okay. So that we have solved. Further, shall we go next? Here it was given how it is. It was given. So how it is? I have told also. So nature of force. Nature of force we can tell. Nature of force we can tell either by the arrow or by the what?
Sine.
Sine.
Either by the sign or by the arrow. If I will show both simultaneously, sign also and what we can say arrow also. Is it correct?
No.
No.
No, sir.
It is not correct. It will have some different meaning. It will have some different meaning. Okay. So that care we have to take. Whatever force was given in this problem, it was having inclination with horizontal. So after that, we have taken inclination with vertical axis. Okay. So what was that? Here, how we have found? Suppose we will take also this problem also we have solved. No. So here what if we will say let p is equal to 10 Newton. No. So how we found its x component? How we found its x component? Px is equal to will you
P
tell?
cos theta.
Very good. P cos theta, where theta is equal to how much?
60.
Huh? Where theta equal to how much? But
60.
60 degree.
no, suppose I will take theta is equal to 30 as it is. Whatever inclination is given with vertical, now why to go for horizontal? Then you tell me now.
Then px, sir, p sin theta.
P sin theta.
Theta.
Sin or cos?
Sin
Sin
theta.
theta.
Sin theta.
Sin theta.
then it should be sine theta, because angle of inclination of that force with whom it is given. Huh?
X.
With x-axis. So here what will be formula? P sine theta. Okay, P sine theta. So I will erase this one. P sine theta. Okay, so in that way. How will be in which quadrant this force is coming? 10 Newton. In which
First.
quadrant? First
First
itself.
quadrant.
First itself. 10 into sine 30, no? Sine 30 half, no?
Yes, sir.
So it will be 5 Newton. Px will be 5 Newton. Okay. Then what about its which component? Py, y component. What will be that?
P cos theta.
Cos theta.
Why we have taken P cos theta? Why we have taken cos function here?
Angle with y axis.
Angle
made by
is
positive
made
x-axis.
co-
Very good. Angle made with positive x-axis. And how much it was the answer?
8.6.
Be confident. Somebody is telling, but not no.
8.6.
6 Newton.
8.6 Newton, no?
Newton.
Newton.
Yes. Be confident while telling the answer. Let it be wrong, because number of students are going to tell answer. So if it is wrong, we will correct. But be confident. Okay. Likewise, what was the change here? Inclination was given with the vertical axis. ज्याच्याशी inclination दिलेला आहे त्याच्याशी कुठलं फंक्शन घ्यायचं, sin का cos? Likewise, I have told
Cos.
cos. So that was here. Somebody has told immediately px is equal to p cos theta. Again, आपण रोडवरून जाताना बघा लिहिलेलं असतं, अति काही
संकटात नाही.
संकटात नाही. शुद्ध मराठीत लिहिलेलं असते. रस्त्याचं काम वगैरे चालू असेल किंवा चांगलं असेल तर यू शुड नॉट मेक हरी. टेक युअर टाइम, थिंक इट, देन you should give answer. Don't be hurry. So immediately once I have written this formula, px is equal to, immediately someone has given answer p cos theta. It may be in your mind cos 60, but whatever it is given, it is okay. So you should not be again have some further steps. ज्याच्याशी inclination दिलंय तिथंच थांबायचं. You should not find some other angles. What is I am expecting or suggesting. Whatever inclination is given, it is okay. Okay. Likewise, so here alternate method was there. Means in this angle was given 30. Maybe whoever has given answer, I don't know whether in their mind it was there or not. This angle is given 36, means this will be 60. In that way, it may be there. I don't know exactly. But whatever inclination given with maybe x or y, continue as it is. Don't go in further step. You will confuse. Once complicated problem will start. Okay. Likewise. So don't that. Then I think how many problems we have solved from this?
2.
Okay,
Two.
2. Okay. Just we will solve a simple problems we were started, no? To solve. What was the answer for this? So how who will read this problem loudly? Maybe this one is, suppose x, instead of x, y, I will say, suppose which is this direction?
Northeast.
So I will north, south, west, east. Okay. What it is given? In which quadrant this force is? Northeast. Mean
First quadrant.
first quadrant. And how its nature? Away from the point or towards the point?
Away from the point.
Away from the point. So what I will do? It will be something like this. And how much it is given? 500 Newton. Okay. So what will be this angle? So angle is not given, means it is
45.
45 degree. Okay. And x component. So let P is equal to how much? 15 Newton. So Px 500 Newton. Okay. Px or I will say x component. So what will be x component? Px is equal to
P cos
Cos
theta.
theta.
P cos theta.
P cos
P
theta.
cos theta.
what is value of P? 500 into
500 Newton.
into
Cos 45.
Cos
Cos
45.
45.
cos 45. Okay. What is that answer?
353.5 Newton.
3.5. 353.5.
Very good. 353.5 Newton. No.
Newton.
Now Py equal to, or I will write y component. Those who are option. Py is equal to, what will be formula? P
P sin theta.
Sin theta.
P
Theta.
sin theta. What is the value of P?
500
500
Newton.
Newton.
Into sin
Sin 45.
45.
sorry, sin 45. Now I will write here. What is that value?
353.5
Same.
Newton.
It will be same. 3.50.5 no Newton. Py. So therefore, here I will write Px equal to 353.5 Newton. And Py also x and y component 353.5 Newton. Okay, in this way. It is very simple. Already we have solved. Okay. So what care? So here angle is not given, means it is 45. By default, you have to remember. Next one. What is given here? Let us again once again quickly I will draw. So it will be a mere revision. With the beginning, still students are making mistake. That's why again I am solving for you. Which will be this direction?
North.
Northwest.
South.
West.
East.
West. East.
East. Now, how much force is given?
800.
800
800
Newton.
So let us P is equal to 800 Newton. Okay. In which quadrant it is? Acting in north?
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant.
It is in second quadrant. Very good. Now, how its nature?
Away from the point.
Away from the point.
Means
From the point.
away from the point. Means in this way. So what will be this force? 800, no?
800.
Yes. sir.
800 Newton. Okay. So now tell me, what will be its x component? What will be its y component?
X component is
Component
negative and
is
y
negative.
component
P
is
cos
positive.
45.
No. I'm asking with respect to sign. How will be its x component and how will be its y component?
X component will be negative and Y
Y
component,
component will be positive.
Very good. X component will be negative. Y component will be positive. Very
positive.
good. So let us see. Px is equal to. What will be formula then?
Minus P cos
Minus
theta.
One
P
thing you
cos
have missed
theta.
here also. As the force is given in this way, northwest. So what will be this? 45.
45.
45. So that we have to take. So what will be this? Px is equal to P.
Minus P cos theta.
Minus P cos theta.
Yes. I will write. Okay. Minus P cos theta. Very good. How much it will be?
Minus 5.
Minus
Minus 8,
5.
minus 800 into cos 45.
How much it is?
565.68.
565.6.
Newton, no?
yes.
Yes.
Py. What will be Py?
P sin theta.
P
P sin theta.
sin theta.
Theta.
P sin theta. Very good. What will be P?
800
800
into
into
sin
sin
45.
45.
Sin 45.
equal to, again same. It will come same, no?
Same.
Yes.
Only
Yes.
sign is different. Only sign is different. Okay, so I will write here. Px equal to, shall I write Px equal to how much it is? Minus 565 point. Sorry. Five six five, no? 0.5 Newton. And what is Py?
पॉइंट
सर 0.6 है.
0.6 है सर.
Sorry. 0.6 Newton. So here I will make something like this. Okay. Okay. So it is very simple. Only sign you have to check where it is. Okay. In this way. Next. Who will read this first quickly?
Find the components of a force 60 kilonewton inclined at a 200 degrees with x-axis and acting towards the point.
Acting towards the point. So just read all of you. What it is given. Then we will solve it. Again, inclination with given at 200. Inclination is given with respect to x-axis. Okay. How much force is given?
60 kilonewton.
60 kilonewton.
60 kilonewton. So this will be y, this will be x. Very simple. So 200 degree we have to take angle. From where we have to take?
X-axis.
X-axis.
From x-axis. From x-axis. That further we will see. Acting towards the point or whatever it may be. So we have to take this 200 degree angle with x-axis. So from where we have to start that measuring? In this way or from here in this way?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. So that is our
Yes, sir.
practice to take
Sir.
in this way. So you check now, you apply your logic and check where it will come or in which quadrant it will come.
Third.
Third quadrant.
Third quadrant.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So once we are going to reach up to here 90 degree, up to here 180, no?
180.
180.
180 plus how much it will be to come here? Means here, no.
20 degree.
It may come
20
somewhere here. So what will come this angle?
20
20 degrees.
degree.
20 degree.
20 degree. It will come 20 degree. So likewise you have to come. So let us see. I will draw once again so that you will understand. Okay, so you can draw with me or you can solve. So this force will come in which quadrant? So that we will see. But that we
First
know
quadrant.
Third quadrant.
third quadrant. Very good. So it may get changed. So here that angle will come 20 degree. Angle will come 20 degree. And if for your information, you can see. So this to this angle is how much? 200 degree in this way. 180 plus 20. Okay. But now we have to see how is the nature of this force.
Towards the point.
Hmm?
Towards the point.
Towards the point.
Towards the point. It is again, it is coming towards the point, means it is something like this. This force is acting something like this towards the point. Now you apply your mind and you tell me in which quadrant this force will come.
First quadrant.
First quadrant.
First quadrant.
It will come again now first quadrant. It will come again in first quadrant. Okay, so what will be the nature of its x component and y component?
Both are positive.
Both are
Both are positive.
They are
Both-
positive.
Both are positive. Both will be positive. Okay, no issue. Next question. With whom inclination is we have calculated or given, I will say. With whom it is inclination is given and how much? कोणाबरोबर inclination दिलंय
With
आणि
x-axis.
X-axis.
with x-axis.
X-axis.
So at this positive x, okay. So at this stage also, if we have calculated acute angle 20, so you are knowing the meaning of acute angle. So this 20. So whatever it is there, so we can solve here itself this 60 kilonewton. Okay. So at this stage, or you can increase this force. Where? In first quadrant. but again their calculation of angle etc it may require, so not necessary. Here also you can calculate here also. So let us calculate here. So what will be its x component? What will be its x component then? Px is equal to what will be formula? Plus
P
or minus?
cos theta.
Plus or minus?
P cos theta.
Plus.
Plus.
Plus
Plus.
P cos theta. So P is
60.
60 into cos how much?
56.38.
No, cos how much I'm asking? 20.
20.
20.
20.
What is the value of that?
56.38.
38.
56 point
38
unit will be
Kilonewton.
kilonewton.
okay. Now y component. What will be that? Py is equal to what will be that? P sin theta, no? What is P? 60.
6.
60.
What is theta? Sin
20.
sin
20.
20.
Therefore, Py is equal to calculate and tell how much it is.
20.52.
20.52.
52.
20.52.
Huh.
20.52 kilonewton.
Kilonewton.
Whether all are getting same answers, just check. It should not happen that some of you only telling the answer and others are just copying the answer from the screen. It should not. So are you getting same answer?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes,
other?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Any other got some other answer etc. It is like this. I will ask roll number 13, Bosle Shivkumar. Bosle.
Yes, sir.
Have you got same answer? Shivkumar. Shivkumar Bosle.
Yes, sir.
Have you got answer?
Huh?
Have you got answer?
Ha, हे सर answer 20.52.
Have you written in your notebook?
नाही sir, screenshot.
Screenshot will remain in mobile, no then. If this is the practice, then screenshots will remain in mobile. That is my opinion.
नंतर लिहितो sir.
नंतर कशाला म्हणजे rework we can say. Rework, it will be rework. म्हणजे तुम्ही 2 वेळा फर्स्ट इयर करणार तुम्ही असं होणार होते. I am suggesting all and each and everybody to write along with me. It's always better to write along with me. I will give sufficient time. So don't have a practice now of that screenshot. Now problems are started. Those who are taking, remove that practice to give take screenshot. Kisan, roll number 60. Shalke. What is your practice? Are you writing in your notebook or taking screenshot?
Yes.
What?
Yes, sir.
What you are doing? Are you writing in your notebook or taking screenshot? Option A, option B. What you are doing?
Writing, sir. लिहितोय.
Okay, very good.
Hmm.
Again, I will ask Prasad, roll number 12, Prasad Bosle.
Sir.
Are you
Yes, sir.
taking screenshot or writing in notebook?
Writing, sir.
Okay, you should write, huh? Everybody
Yes, sir.
should write, not only you. Everybody should write. Now don't have a practice of screenshot. I will provide this ready-made material. Not necessary. At the end of chapter, I will provide this solved problem, but it should be there. One time at least you should solve this. You should generate that imagination, how it is, why it came. Here question may come in our mind. This particular force is looking in our first sight. Once you will see first, immediately we will come to know that this force is coming in third quadrant. असं वाटतंय का बघितल्या की हा फोर्स तिसऱ्या क्वाड्रंट मध्ये आहे, but why the both the components are positive? It may come in your mind. असं वाटतंय का? कशामुळे असं झालं मग? फोर्स दिसताना तर तिसऱ्या क्वाड्रंट मध्ये दिसतोय, मात्र त्याचे एक्स आणि वाय कॉम्पोनंट पॉझिटिव्ह आलेत. वाय इट इज सो? वाय इट इज सो?
Acting toward the point.
The line of action of force.
व्हेरी गुड. हा, लाईन ऑफ ऍक्शन ऑफ फोर्स व्हॉट? लाईन ऑफ ऍक्शन ऑफ फोर्स व्हॉट?
Toward the same.
Towards the first quadrant.
Towards the first quadrant, or more specific, line of action of force is going towards positive x-axis and positive y-axis. It is as simple as this. Okay, shall we go next? So
Yes, sir.
now remove the habit. Just we have entered in our subject. Remove the habit of taking screenshot. I will provide ready-made material. This solve the problems to you, but try to write in your notebook. I'm going to check notebook anytime. At the end, if you are going to ask me, sir, this not understood, that not understood, etc. No, I'm going to ask you to come with your notebook to college. Okay, likewise my answer will be there at the end. So that's why you be careful right from the beginning itself. At the end, you should not surrender yourself. Surrender, meaning of surrender you might be knowing, no? सरेंडर, आता काहीच जमत नाही मला हे असं म्हणायचं नाही. शेवटी तुम्ही म्हणलं तर आय एम गोइंग टू आस्क कम टू कॉलेज विथ द नोटबुक वॉट एव्हर यू हॅव रिटर्न. आय एम गोइंग टू आस्क लाईकवाईज. So take care. Just now, this is a third problem. Just a third problem. If you have not purchased a calculator, purchase immediately and have a practice to write the things in notebook. Okay, I will not repeat again and again, but I am going to check randomly. Okay, shall we go next? Shall we
Yes,
go
sir.
next? Next.
Yes, sir.
Next, I will give opportunity to someone to read this. Piyush, roll number 19. 19. Will you read this loudly?
A force of 40 kilonewton is inclined at 330 degrees with x-axis acts toward the point. Find its components.
Very good. Very simple again. Very simple. Will you solve this on your own? I will give certain time.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Start it.
Sir, x component minus 34.64 and y component 20.
Okay. Y component is, so I will write here. What is your x component?
Minus 34.64.
34.64.
34.64. Okay. And y?
20.
Both are positive? No, one is negative. Okay. We will check. Let's solve others. We will check. Once you will complete, let me know so that we will solve quickly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
X component minus 34.64 and Y component 20 kilonewton.
Very good. Correct. Those who have getting
Yes, sir.
answer.
Same, sir.
Okay. Those who have solved, congratulations to you. Now let me know. Those, I feel so. It is my experience. Others, maybe some of you are just spectaculars, observers in Marathi. काय चाललंय फक्त बघतेत मोबाईल मध्ये. They are not writing, but you will suffer at the end. I am going to ask your notebook only. Whenever you will come to me in college, etc., anywhere, तुम्ही मला कुठं जरी भेटला तर मी काय विचारणार, where is the notebook? Okay, that's why you should write in notebook, irrespective of our college. कुठेही भेटला तर मी notebook विचारणार. Okay, without notebook nothing will happen. Okay, how much inclination or inclination of this force? Let us give name this force as a what? 40 kilonewton. How much inclination is given and with whom it is given?
330 degrees with
30
x-axis.
with
30
x-axis.
degree with
Three-
x-axis.
Then very good. In which quadrant that angle is coming once we are going to start measure from the positive x-axis?
In fourth quadrant.
Fourth quadrant.
Fourth quadrant. Okay, so 90 plus 90 plus 90, 270 plus 30 plus 30, 60. Correct, no? From 60 means from this side it is 30. How much it is?
Yes, sir.
30.
Means
30.
from this side 30, no?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Only now we have to concentrate on its nature, where it is it acts towards the point. Like this it is called, no? Correct, no? Means that force is something.
Yes,
is-
sir.
It is acting like this. And how much it is given? P is equal to
40 kilonewton.
40 kilonewton.
40 kilonewton.
40 kilonewton. In which quadrant this force is coming?
Second
Second.
quadrant.
Second
Very good.
quadrant.
Second quadrant. If you will measure the angle, we may feel that it is coming in fourth quadrant. But once we are going to extend its line of action of force, where it is going?
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant. So in second quadrant, what will be the what is the nature of x component and y component?
X component,
component is negative and Y component is
positive.
Very good. X component is negative, y component is positive. No issue. Quickly I will write. Px is equal to, or I will write here, x component. Px is equal to, what is formula? Minus p
Minus P cos theta.
cos theta. It is the value of this, minus 40 cos
30.
30.
Cos.
30. And how much it is? Very simple. How much?
Minus
Minus 34.64.
kilonewton.
Kilonewton. It is Px. Now, what is that? P, or we can say y component, or we can say y component. Py. Therefore, Py equal to, it will be positive, no? P sin theta, no?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
How much it is? 40 into sin 30. Sin 30 is how much? Half, no?
Half.
So 20 kilonewton, correct. This will be very simple. Okay, have you got answer? Let me ask randomly again. I will ask to Madne Patil, 27. Ashwini. Okay. Ashwini, you can mute yourself. Your voice is not coming. I think you are having certain problem. I hope. Onkar, roll number 32. Onkar,
Yes, sir.
have you got answer?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Be confident. I am not going to shout. Be confident. Yes. 36. Pandurang.
Yes, sir.
Have you got answer?
Yes.
Very good. So shall we go next? Very simple. Shall we go next?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
okay. Next. Again same. Solve it. Let us have a practice. Who will read loudly? 150 with x-axis. Okay. Solve it instead of reading, etc. Solve it and tell me the component x and y.
Sir, x component minus 17.32 kilonewton and y component 10.
Okay. Will you repeat?
X component minus 17.32
Hmm.
and Y 10.
Okay. Follow the procedure. Huh? So, are you drawing x-axis, y-axis, or you are directly calculating?
Sir, sorry, sir. I given away from the point, but it is towards the point. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Same again. Repeat. अति घाई accident ला नहीं. You may meet accident. It should not happen. Once again, take your time. Don't be hurry. I will draw meanwhile. Axis.
So
Hmm.
x component minus 17.32
Minus 17.32 Hmm.
and y component minus 10.
minus 10. Okay, we will check. Who has told? Let me know. कोणी सांगितलं आहे?
Survase Anisha.
Okay. Okay, we will check.
Sir, minus 17.32 x component
Hmm.
and y component minus 10.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Same.
Yes, yes.
Okay, Rohini, you want to tell something, Rohini?
X component minus 17.32 and Y component plus 10.
Plus. We will check. Your is plus. We will check. Don't worry. Huh? Just check. Why answer is differing?
Sir, my also answer is plus 10.
Plus 10. Okay, we will check. Don't worry.
Plus 10, sir.
We will check. Don't worry. Once again. Let me draw first. Quickly, I will draw this.
So
Ah,
x component will be positive.
Ha sir, X component positive.
we will see now. Concentrate here. So x and y component resolve a force of 20 kilonewton inclined at 150 degrees. So let us say given what is given? Let us say force P whose magnitude is 20 kilonewton. Suppose. Okay, so 150 degree with whom it is given? With x-axis. Means once we are going to, so what is this total angle? Horizontal angle is 180. So it will minus how much? 30, no? So it will be something like this. Whether it will come something like this here,
Yes, sir.
whether it will come here, and this how much this angle will be? Acute
30
angle we have to
degree.
consider.
30.
Acute angle we have to take while resolution, etc. Acute meaning of acute you are knowing, no? Acute angle.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That we have to consider. Now up to this it is okay. X-axis, y-axis, 180 angle, 150 angle we have measured from the positive x-axis. Okay. Now we have to check its nature. Acting towards the point. Acting towards the point means how will be the arrow? Towards downward side or towards upward side?
Towards downward side.
Towards downward, towards origin.
Or towards origin. Okay, that will be correct. Or towards in this way, downward side, in this way. Is it will be something like this? Whether it will be something like this? असा असेल का?
P is equals to 20 kilonewtons.
Sorry. P is equal to 20. Sorry. Okay. Or I will erase that one. Okay, 20, no? Sorry. 20. Now you have to check. After this, now we have shown towards the point 150 inclination with the x-axis. We have calculated that. Now you have to ask yourself in which quadrant this force will come.
In fourth quadrant.
Fourth quadrant.
In fourth quadrant it will come. No, now here is in fourth quadrant. It will come in fourth quadrant. And as we discussed, I have taken, that's why revision. In first quadrant, what is the nature of x component? What is the nature of y component? In second quadrant, in third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So what is the nature of x and y component? in
X component is positive and Y
Y
component
component is
negative.
negative.
negative. So whoever has given this answer, check it. What you have did. So let us solve. Let us solve X component. What will be X component then? Px is equal to
Px is equals to P cos theta.
Px is equal to P cos theta. Okay. How much we are going to take P? 20?
20
20 into
cos
cos 30.
Cos 30. How much it is?
17.32
32 kilonewton.
kilonewton.
32 kilonewton. Y component. Py equal to formula
Minus P sin
Minus
theta.
P sin theta.
minus P sin theta equal to, why we have taken minus?
Because
In
Y
fourth
component
quadrant,
is
Y
negative.
component is negative.
What will be this? Minus 10?
Minus 10
sir.
kilonewton.
Minus 10. So whoever has given, कुणी उत्तर दिलं होतं हे? Px is equal to and Py is equal to, so it should be plus, no?
हा सर प्लस येतो.
Who has given this answer?
मी सर सुरुवसे अनिशा.
Anisha, where you have committed mistake? कुठं
सर ते
कुठं
मी सेकंड क्वाड्रंट मधून पास होतोय ना, ते मग मी स्टार्टिंगला एक्स कॉम्पोनंट सेकंड क्वाड्रंट मध्ये घेतला आणि देन वाय कॉम्पोनंट फोर्थ क्वाड्रंट मध्ये घेतला,
No, no.
त्यामुळे जरा कन्फ्युजन झालं. पण
No,
येताना तो फोर्थ
I'm not
क्वाड्रंट
blaming
मध्येच
you,
येतो.
Anisha. I'm not blaming you. Just I'm asking where you have committed. Before that, have you not shown arrow? Looking to the nature.
सर तेच की मग सांगतोय की ते मी बघितलं कडे ते मी एक्स कॉम्पोनंट सेकंड क्वाड्रंट मध्ये घेतला आणि वाय कॉम्पोनंट हा फोर्थ क्वाड्रंट मध्ये घेतला, कारण तिथे म्हटलंय त्यांनी ऍक्टिंग टुवर्ड्स द पॉइंट, म्हणजे लाईन ऑफ ऍक्शन ऑफ फोर्स ह्या फोर्थ क्वाड्रंट मध्ये जातोय, म्हणून मी असं कन्सिडर केलं अँड देन परत असं सगळं घोटाळा झाला.
It should not happen that घोटाळा finally. And so what we can say, applicable to all, not only Anisha, applicable to all. So step by step you should go. हे फक्त एक little example आहे. Anisha is one of the example we can say for us. So you should not make like this. It is very simple problem. ही फक्त in Marathi I will tell, ही फक्त बेरीज वजाबाकी आहे मेकॅनिक्स ची. Actual derivations etc. we are going to see lot many things. या सब्जेक्ट मध्ये हा असा नाही सब्जेक्ट. It is just we can say, काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला in Marathi? I don't know. Just a beginning, I will say. It is just a beginning. So at beginning also you should not make mistake. Take your time. Sign convention. Sign convention is very important. For which you are considering positive, for which you are considering negative. So it should not happen. So step by step you show angle, you show arrow. That's why I'm asking Anisha for you. You show arrow and then you think where it is going. Without that it will not come. Any other? Any other? Or any problem, or shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will go next. Take at sufficient time. Don't worry, you take sufficient time. There is lot many lectures we are going to take. Let us see next. We will read. Who will read this? Shweta, roll number 5. Is it possible for you to read loudly? 5. Shweta, roll number 5. Am I audible? Shweta, roll number 5. Dalvi. No response. Roll number 5. I will give next opportunity to Dheeraj, 16. 16.
Yes, sir.
Will you read this one sentence loudly?
Yes, sir.
6.
Resolve a force of 25 Newton acting southeast and away from the point.
Very good. Solve it now. Very simple.
Sir, 17.67 and x component is positive and y component is also same but negative.
Tell me, what is your answer? I will note down. Then we will solve.
17.67.
17.67
Yes, sir. Same.
Newton.
And y component same but negative.
Minus 17.67.
Yes, minus 17.67 Newton. Okay, we will check. Don't worry. Solve it. Those who are not solved, you can solve. So this will be force P. How much it is given?
25 Newton.
25 Newton. In between which two principal directions it is?
South and east.
South and east.
South and east. Okay. Means in which quadrant it is?
Fourth
In
quadrant.
Fourth quadrant.
Means it will be in fourth quadrant. Okay. And how its nature?
Away from the
It's
point.
away from the point.
Okay, it will be away from the point. And what will be its inclination then with x-axis?
45 degrees.
45.
45. It will be 45. Okay. And here, okay, is equal to 25 Newton. Very simple. So as the force is in fourth quadrant, what will be the nature of its x component and y component?
X component is positive and Y component
Y
is
component is negative.
X component is
Positive.
Hmm.
And Y component
and
and
Y
negative.
component is negative.
y component is negative. Very good. So x component, very simple. Px is equal to, what will be the formula?
P cos theta.
P cos theta.
P cos theta. Very good. What is value of P? 25.
25.
Cos
45.
equals to
17.67.
17.67.
17.67.
Newton.
Very good.
Yes.
Now, what is that? X is over. Now y component. Px, not Px.
Py.
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 Y component Py. I will write. What will be that?
P
Minus
minus
sin
sin
theta.
theta.
Minus into sine 45. What is that? What is that? Minus
17
Minus
minus
17.67
Newton.
Newton. So it is very simple. That is it. Very simple. Any problem? Why we have taken one is
No,
positive
sir.
and one is negative? Because this particular force is lies in where?
Fourth quadrant.
Fourth quadrant.
In fourth quadrant. That's why I was taken revision. So you should not make mistake while identifying this. Okay. Anybody facing problem? Shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
sir.
South. We'll read this. Nihal, roll number 42.
Yes, sir.
Will you read the problem statement number 7?
Resolve a force of 100 Newton acting 35° west south acting away from the point.
Acting away from the point. Very good. Acting away from the point. Okay. So a little different. You can note down this. A little different problem is there. So here inclination is given of the force with respect to principal axis. Earlier problem with whom inclination was given in earlier problems? कोणाबरोबर दिलं होतं inclination with positive what? Which axis? Am I audible or not?
Yes, sir.
In earlier stages, with whom inclination was given, and in this with whom it is given. So here instead of principal direct axis, I am going to show principal directions.
Sir, x component is minus 81.91.
Huh? What?
X component is minus 81.91.
81
And y component
minus,
minus
minus or plus?
57.4. Both are minus.
Just wait. Tell me. X component
minus
Minus 81.91.
81.91.
Yeah.
Okay. And what about
Minus
minus
57.35.
57.35
57.35 Newton?
Newton.
Oh,
Yes.
we will check. I will check, don't worry. We will solve. Resolve of force. So let us give name to a given force. What is that? 100 Newton. Okay. P is equal to 100 Newton acting 35°. Okay. So in which, let us say, so earlier problems we were saying north, suppose east, northwest, maybe southeast, southwest. Only principal directions were given something like this. A particular force acting northeast, or instead of that dash, northeast, means we were taking angle of how much in between these two?
45.
45. But is it the given only if that force is acting the west and between west and south? But असंच दिलाय का force? Is it given like this, west south? Principal directions are given west south, but here is it given in this way or some angle is given?
Angle is given
Angle is given. How much it is given?
35 degree.
35 degree. So meaning of this is what? In between these principal directions, angle is 35. Meaning of this is what? How to read this? How to read this? While going from west to south, you should take angle of 35. While going from वेस्ट टू साऊथ, म्हणजे वेस्ट कडून साऊथ कडे जात असताना किती अँगल घ्यायचा आहे तुम्हाला? हाऊ मच अँगल यू वांट यू शुड टेक?
35 degree.
35 degree. Have you did like this or something other? तर तुम्ही काय केले मला सांगा. Have you did something like this or you have did something other?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like this only?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Ha,
very
sir.
good then. Very good. So you that it should be like this only. While going from west to south, you should take angle of 35. Means here. So I will draw one line here, which will make angle of how much? From west to
35 degree.
35 degree. And now I should think about its nature. मग मला त्याचा नेचरचा विचार केला पाहिजे. I should think what is its nature now. So what is its nature?
Away from the point.
Away from the point.
Away from the point means it will be something like this, away from the point. And how much that force is 100 Newton. That force is 100 Newton, like this. Have you did like this? Then very good. If not, those who did something else, so for them I have written here what to do. लक्षात आलं? This one is most important. while going from west to south. While going from west to south, you should take angle in that way. Okay, so if you have did like this, very good. If not, let us solve. So I will erase this. Okay. So here force P is given, then angle. So a special case problem, that's why I will write angle. From south, not south, first one is, which was that? First one,
West.
okay, west. West to south, angle is 35. Means here you can remember this. I will do arrow this, and here I will write 35. 35 in this way. Means while going from west to south, you should take 35 angle. Okay, so now we will write x component. X component, what will be the formula then? X component px is equal to
minus p cos
theta
minus p cos theta equal to minus
100 into
100
cos
into cos 35.
100 into cos 35, you know, 35, you know, yes, 35
Yes.
equal to
Minus 81.7.
Minus
81.91
Newton.
minus 81.90 Newton. Now y component. Now y component, what will be that? Py equal
minus p
Minus
sin
100
theta
sin theta.
to minus p sin theta equal to
Minus 100 sin 35 sin 35.
sin 35. Therefore py equal to how much? Minus
minus 57.35
minus 57.35 Newton. Okay, so it is correct. So there is no issue to discuss. Sorry, in this way. You understood, very simple. Again, so a little different was there. Only it was a little different in this. Otherwise, nothing. It was very simple. Okay, so if you'll see problems based on, have you noted down or have you written in your notebook this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So as far as these principal directions are given, so as far as principal directions are given, in what different formats we can say this inclination or force description will be given. So number one, we have discussed just in initial phase of this lecture, due with the using word due. This will be the one of the format in case description of force is given. Then second one is how in case of exactly in between two principal directions force will be given, something like suppose north dash west, or suppose south dash east, likewise. So in this case, how much angle we are taking?
45 degree.
45 degree.
In this case, how much we are taking? 45. And third, in case of third, how it will be given? In case of third, with positive x-axis, that also we have seen, no? Angle will be given with positive x-axis, or inclination will be given with positive x-axis. So inclination will be given with positive x-axis in some cases. So we have seen 300 degrees with x-axis. So here I will write angle with x-axis. Angle with x-axis. It is given angle with x-axis. And fourth one is what? Fourth one is what? South to, suppose what was given? South to, not south, west. West to south means from going from one side to other, certain angle will be given. Not always. What we can say? It may not be always. It may not be always. Maybe suppose from west to south. How much it was given? 35. Means I will write in this way. It may be given something like this. So likewise, 4 different problems we have seen. You understood? Just for your information, you can write from somewhere in your notebook. Likewise, it may be given in your problem statement. 57 were there. 3 I think left. Urgent आहे. Urgent आहे. दीड तास होत आला. थांबेल म्हणलं लेक्चर. काय करू? Okay, there is one urgent work is there from your side on Telegram channel. There is one link, Google form link, university data form. So just check it. I will not ask you anything. So will you go to your Telegram channel immediately? You can minimize this screen, this lecture screen, and please open it. Have you opened the Telegram channel of our division?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Link
sir.
opened.
There is one link. Have you observed that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first write your email. You are having email, no? Email. Okay, you write your email. It requires very urgent. First one is email. Roll number. Then division. Have you written your email after the division? Have you selected division F?
Yes, sir.
Select it. Roll number. Your own roll number you have to select, whatever it may be. Selected?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Name of student. So in what fashion you have to write name of student? You can write your complete name. First you should write your name, then middle name, and then last name, surname. Then your father name. Again in that way only. Have you where up to you have completed your name? Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
then
माझे-
father name.
हॅलो,
Ha.
माझं येत नाही सर ते लिंक वरून.
Who is telling this? येत नाही म्हणजे?
सर ग्रँडफादर नेम टाकायचंय.
हा.
ग्रँडफादर नेम.
हा, okay, you can write, no issue.
ओके.
Ha. Then mother name. Next one is mother name.
सर मला लिंकच नाही आलेली.
ओके, टेलिग्रामला आहे किंवा मॅडमला कॉन्टॅक्ट करा. यू विल गेट लिंक. नाव काय सांगा?
आकांक्षा गिराम.
आकांक्षा गिराम. Madam will send immediately. You can start. And just check your Telegram.
सर माझी लिंक ओपन होत नाही.
काय प्रॉब्लेम येतोय?
समथिंग वेंट रॉंग.
Okay. Okay, Giram, you check, and those who are having problem, we will see what to do. Just अजून कोणाला नाही ते लिंकच ओपन होत नाही. ओके, कुठपर्यंत आला
हॅलो सर,
हा हा
तिथे टाईप करायचं ऑप्शन येत नाहीये.
व्हॉट?
ईमेल ऍड्रेस टाईप होत नाही.
No, your voice is not audible. What you are telling?
सर टाईप करायला ऑप्शन येईन म्हणून त्यांना.
ओके, कुठं म्हणतायत, कुठं टाईप करायला
सर ते
option आहे?
ईमेल लिहायचं ना तिथं त्यांना येत नाही म्हणून.
नाही, कुठं म्हणताय, काय लिहायचंय तुम्हाला?
ईमेल लिहायला टाईप करायला ऑप्शन येईन म्हणून सर.
जरा रिफ्रेश
आम्हाला
करा.
सर त्यांना.
हा, रिफ्रेश करा, यायला पाहिजे ते. येतोय. जरा रिफ्रेश करा तुमचा अकाउंट, मोबाईल किंवा
सर सबमिट करायचं.
नेक्स्ट म्हणायचं.
भरलं का सगळं हे तुम्ही इन्फॉर्मेशन? हॅव यू फिल्ड ऑल इन्फॉर्मेशन?
येस सर, येस सर.
भरून झाला सर, भरून झाला.
सर सर
हा हा
फादर नेम पूर्ण टाकायचं का?
हा, टाका टाका पूर्ण. यू कॅन राईट ऑल. पुढे जाऊ.
तर ग्रँडफादर नेम पण
Yes.
पूर्ण टाकायचं का?
येस येस.
क्लिअर झाला सर फॉर्म.
ओके, पाठवला.
सर नेक्स्ट ना.
हा, नेक्स्ट म्हणायचं भरल्यानंतर पूर्ण इन्फॉर्मेशन. वन्स यू विल फिल ऑल इन्फॉर्मेशन, यू हॅव टू सी नेक्स्ट. डेट ऑफ बर्थ यू शुड सिलेक्ट केअरफुली फ्रॉम दॅट कॅलेंडर. Suppose you want to have a year, then click on that year, then it will go back that date of birth. Then you will get list of year. Okay, in that way. Otherwise, you will waste more time to write your birth date and birthplace. Last one is birthplace.
सर पूर्ण नाव टाकायचं का
सर
स्टार्टिंगला?
लोकेशन रुरल म्हणून टाकायचं ना.
हा हा,
सर
तर
लोकेशन
स्टार्टिंगला
कॅटेगरी
पूर्ण नाव टाकायचं.
टाका की कम्प्लीट नाव टाका. कम्प्लीट, नो इश्यू. You can write your
सर लोकेशन
complete name.
कॅटेगरी.
सर लोकेशन
काय
कॅटेगरी.
टाकायचं सर?
Location category, just a bit. Location category.
रुरल अर्बन.
तुम्ही जर खेडेगावात राहत असाल तर रुरल, आणि समथिंग लाईक सोलापूर एटसेट्रा, देन अर्बन ओनली. अदरवाइज रुरल. रिलीजन, thereafter religion, हिंदू. आधार number, is it with you?
येस सर.
You can write very carefully. Then blood group.
सर आम्ही चेक केलं नाही, ते रॅन्डमली टाकलं तर चालेल की?
हा,
ब्लड ग्रुप चेक केलं नाही सर, रॅन्डमली टाकलं तर चालेल का?
टाका.
हा.
पिन नंबर. Where are you right now?
Complete sir.
No, is it completed?
Uh,
Yes, university
पिन
data
पिन
form.
पर्यंत झालं सर.
After that, it will ask mobile number. Then alternate mobile number. Then guardian occupation. What does it mean? Guardian occupation means farmer, teacher, whatever.
पालकांचा व्यवसाय.
whatever it may be. Then annual income.
Sir,
So,
name full.
Sir, location category means urban na?
Where you are living? Where you are living?
East Bavi in Pandharpur.
You rural. You write rural. Then guardian annual income.
सर माझी बर्थ डेट चेंज होत नाहीये.
Change means you will get that to 2022. Click on it. You will get list of years. Then you have to select your required year. In that way you go. You will get
ओके सर.
fast.
Sir, state your domicile.
State of domicile, sir.
State of domicile means in which Maharashtra. Anybody is there from out of Maharashtra? If not, by
सर
default.
गार्डियन ऑक्युपेशन काय लिहायचं?
वडील काय करते तुमचे?
Sir, starting ला name full आहे.
You can write full, no issue.
Sir, ते मोबाईल ALT काय लिहायचं तिथं?
Alternate म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा एक मोबाईल नंबर आणि दुसरा अल्टरनेटिव्ह. यू कॅन गिव्ह युअर पेरेंट्स नंबर सेकंड.
सर पंढरपूर मध्ये राहणाऱ्यांनी लोकेशन काय द्यायचं?
यू कॅन राईट बोथ रुरल ऑल्सो पॉसिबल. पंढरपूर म्हणजे काय?
State of domicile.
ब्लड ग्रुप तुमचा ब्लड ग्रुप. इफ नॉट नोन देन चेक.
Sir, state of domicile.
हॅलो
महाराष्ट्र. स्टेट ऑफ डोमासाईल महाराष्ट्र.
सर सबकास्ट
काय टाकायचं?
कशा?
लोकेशन
सबकास्ट मध्ये
सबकास्ट. जस्ट बेटा.
Sir,
जर
पप्पा नसतील तर काय लिहायचं गार्डियन ऑक्युपेशन मध्ये?
मम्मींचा लिहि ना. यू कॅन राईट युअर मदर.
सर माझी बर्थडे मंथ आधी
नाही आधी काय करा तुम्ही क्लिक करा 2022 ला. त्याच्यावरती लिस्ट येईल इयरची. त्याच्यानंतर मग जावा.
स्टेट डोमेसाइलला काय नाही करायचं? स्टेट डोमेसाइल
महाराष्ट्र.
तर सबकास्ट म्हणजे काय सांगितलं नाही सर तुम्ही?
सबकास्ट जस्ट.
सर सबकास्ट ऑप्शनल आहे, नाही भरलं तरी चालेल.
तसं नाही.
लोकेशन कॅटेगरी मध्ये काय लिहायचं?
सबकास्ट
कास्ट मध्ये
सर कास्ट आणि सबकास्ट आलंय त्यात दोन्हीत पण.
थांबा. कॅटेगरी मध्ये काय येते मला just
एससी लिहिले कॅटेगरी मध्ये.
सर
yes,
कॅटेगरी मध्ये
म्हणजे कसं
ओपन
असतंय,
ओबीसी वगैरे
subcaste
येतं.
मध्ये फॉर एक्झाम्पल एनटी
हिंदू मराठा.
इफ यू विल नाईट लाईकवाईज.
सर लोकेशन कॅटेगरीला काय लिहायचं?
लोकेशन
कॅटेगरी
जरा मोठ्यानं बोला की ऐकू येत नाही.
लोकेशन कॅटेगरी.
लोकेशन कॅटेगरी.
सर ते मगाशी रुरल अर्बन होतं बघा, ते विचार.
ते रुरल टाका. रुरल.
तर सबकास्टला काय टाकायचं?
सबकास्ट नॉट नेसेसरी. त्याला स्टार मार्क नाही. टाकू
हा
नका.
सर. हा सर.
सर अॅन्युअल इन्कमला काय टाकायचं?
तुमचं वार्षिक उत्पन्न किती आहे?
ठीक आहे.
सर ऍडमिटेड कॅटेगरी.
ऍडमिटेड कॅटेगरी.
हा सर, ते सबकास्ट नंतर वगैरे विचारायला. इकॉनॉमिकली वीक सेक्शन त्यानंतर.
तुमचं ऍडमिशन झालंय समजा दुसऱ्या राऊंड मध्ये असेल तर अगेन्स्ट म्हणजे ओपनच्या जागेवर आपलं ऍडमिशन झालेलं असतं.
सर इकॉनॉमिकली विकर सेक्शनला काय करायचं? लाऊडली व्हॉट यू आर सेइंग. मोठ्यानं बोला बरं जरा.
इकॉनॉमिकली
विकर.
इकॉनॉमिकली वीकर सेक्शनला काय टाकायचं?
EWS तुम्ही काढलेला आहे का EWS चं सर्टिफिकेट?
नाही सर.
नो लिहा. मग नो ला मार्क करा. नसेल तर असेल तर येस लिहा.
स्टेट काय लिहायचं?
महाराष्ट्र.
ऍडमिटेड कॅटेगरी.
ऍडमिटेड कॅटेगरी ओपन. तुमचं ऍडमिशन कशामधून झालेलं? तुमच्या कास्टमधून. म्हणजे तुमचं ऍडमिशन कशामधून झालंय? सपोज यू आर ऑफ सपोज VZNT NT. लाईकवाईज यू हॅव टू राईट युअर कास्ट.
सर EWS आलेला आहे सर, पण ऍडमिशन ओपन मधून झालेलं आहे.
मग ओपन लिहायचं तुम्ही.
हा सर फिजिकली चॅलेंज.
फिजिकली चॅलेंज म्हणजे
No.
तुम्ही हे आहेत का, हँडिकॅप वगैरे
अपंग.
आहात का?
नो.
असेल तर येस लिहा, नसेल तर नो लिहा.
हॅलो सर, कास्ट मध्ये मार्क द्यायचं का?
कास्ट
सर
हा हा
ऍडमिशन TFWS मधून झाले, मग तिथं ओपनच लिहायचं का?
हा
तर इकॉनॉमिक लिव्हिंग कर सेक्शनला काय करायचं?
म्हणजे तुमच्याकडे EWS सर्टिफिकेट आहे का?
हॅलो सर.
हा
हा सर, ऍडमिटेड ब्रँचला क्लिक होत नाही.
जस्ट वेट, थोडस थांबा, सगळेजण भरायला लागलेत, हे थोडा लोड येईल त्याला. जस्ट वेट, बघा एकदा रिफ्रेश
तर
किंवा
नेक्स्ट करायचं.
हा सगळं भरल्यानंतर नेक्स्ट
इलेक्ट्रिकलला EL येते ना?
ELE येणार इलेक्ट्रिकलला. ELE
हॅलो सर,
हा
सर
ऍडमिटेड कॅटेगरी.
ओपन म्हणजे तुम युअर कॅटेगरी, ऍडमिटेड कॅटेगरी ही तुमची कॅटेगरी असेल ती, त्यामधून तुमचं ऍडमिशन झालेलं आहे. परत नेक्स्ट करा क्वालिफिकेशन.
सब कास्टला काय लिहायचं?
सब कास्ट म्हणजे इट इज ऍप्लिकेबल टू
क्वालिफिकेशनला नुसतं
NT.
SSC येतंय.
हा
क्वालिफिकेशनला फक्त SSC येतंय.
हा सर, ते खाली SSC बद्दल रिलेटेड विचारलेत, फक्त SSC सिलेक्ट करून पुढे
हा.
जायचं वाटतं.
हा SSC, तिथे SSC पहिल्यांदा सिलेक्ट करायचं.
ब्लड ग्रुप नाही चेक केलं मग काय करायचं?
O पॉझिटिव्ह टाका तुम्ही मीनवाईल.
तर कास्ट सब कास्ट मध्ये
सब कास्ट त्याला
Optional
स्टार मार्क
असतं.
नाही. जर तुम्ही VJNT मध्ये असाल ना, तर त्याच्यामध्ये ABCD अशा सब कास्ट असतात, बाकीच्यांना नाही. इफ यू आर फ्रॉम VJNT, तुमची कास्ट कुठली? विच फ्रॉम विच कास्ट यू आर?
ओपन.
Then write open and leave it. You are not having subcaste, only open. Next.
सर स्टेट ऑफ डोमिसाइल काय लिहायचं?
महाराष्ट्र.
आणि सर बर्थ डेट मध्ये आधी मंथ येतोय.
लेट इट बी, त्यांचा फॉर्मॅट असेल तो, ज्या फॉर्मॅट मध्ये
हा,
येतो
sir.
त्याचा लिहा. हा
सर, SSC बोर्ड
सर,
युनिव्हर्सिटी
सर.
नेम
SSC बोर्ड आपलं पुणे असतं.
डायरेक्ट पुणे लिहायचं सर.
हा पुणे.
सर लातूर.
ऍडमिटेड
कॅटेगरी मध्ये
हा, तुमच्या कॅटेगरी कुठली आहे त्या कॅटेगरीतून तुमचं ऍडमिशन झालंय.
सर कास्ट काय लिहायची?
ओपन.
हॅलो सर,
If you are from open, then you should write open. There is no subcaste for open. Economically weaker section, if you are having certificate, then yes. If not, no.
सर ब्लड ग्रुपच्या तिथं चूज केल्यावर क्लिक केल्यावर ऑप्शनच येत नाहीये.
नाही थोडस हे
Sir.
करा, नेटवर्क इश्यू.
SSC बोर्ड सर,
हा
SSC सर्टिफिकेट नंबर सर.
SSC सर्टिफिकेट नंबर.
हा सर.
कोपऱ्याला आहे बघा सर.
जस्ट बेटा SSC सीट नंबर येतो ना.
तर ते फिजिकली चॅलेंज
फिजिकली चॅलेंज्ड मीन्स हँडिकॅप.
सर
SSC
स्टेट ऑफ
बोर्ड युनिव्हर्सिटी नेम काय
10 मार्क
टाकायचं?
मध्ये पर्सेंट लिहायचं का?
सर
मुलं नंतर ऐकतील की ज्यांना प्रॉब्लेम येतात ते. हॅलो, हा बोला.
स्टेट ऑफ
SSC
डोमिसाइल
बोर्ड युनिव्हर्सिटी.
काय?
मॅडम माझं युनिव्हर्सिटी कोल्हापूर येते SSC बोर्डचं.
मग लिहा ना कोल्हापूर म्हणून.
मॅडम स्टेट ऑफ डोमिसाइल
डोमॅसेल.
मॅडम
हा बोला.
SSC सर्टिफिकेट नंबर काय टाकायचं? SSC सर्टिफिकेट
नंबर म्हणताय, क्लिअर आवाज येत नाही, नीट बोला.
सर, मॅडम SSC सर्टिफिकेट नंबर म्हणजे ते सर्टिफिकेटच्या कोपऱ्यात आहे.
हा SSC सर्टिफिकेट नंबर. ओके, ते सांगतात बघा.
मॅम युनिव्हर्सिटी नेम
स्टेट
काय
ऑफ
टाकायचं?
डोमिसाइल म्हणजे
हा
मॅडम
युनिव्हर्सिटी नेम काय टाकायचं
स्टेट ऑफ
मॅडम?
डोमिसाइल
आपल्या युनिव्हर्सिटीचं नाव टाका. कुठला? SSCच्या तिथे युनिव्हर्सिटी नाही, बोर्ड असते पुणे बोर्ड, त्यानंतर मुंबई बोर्ड, असे बोर्ड असतात. युनिव्हर्सिटी नेम नसतं SSC ला.
मॅम सर्टिफिकेट नंबर काय?
सर्टिफिकेट आता एका मुलांनी सांगितलं बघा कुठं सर्टिफिकेट नंबर आहे तो.
सर मॅम SSC चे मार्क पर्सेंटेज मध्ये टाकायचे का
हे आता फॉर्म आलाय त्याच्यावर.
कसे पण टाका जसं
मॅम
कसे
एसएससी
टाकाल तसे
सर्टिफिकेट
टाका.
नंबर काय
आ?
एसएससी सर्टिफिकेट नंबर काय टाकायचं?
तुमच्या मार्क लिस्टच्या कोपऱ्यात लिहिलेला आहे एसएससीच्या मार्क लिस्टच्या.
मॅम स्टेट ऑफ डोमेसाईल काय लिहायचं?
महाराष्ट्र असतो ना, महाराष्ट्र स्टेट ऑफ डोमेसाईल.
मॅम ऍडमिटेड कॅटेगरी. ऍडमिटेड कॅटेगरी.
तुमची जी कास्ट आहे ती लिहा.
मॅडम एसएससी ऑप्टेन मार्क काय टाकायचे?
मॅम
पर्सेंटाइल टाकायचं का?
ईडब्ल्यूएस सर्टिफिकेट असेल तर यस लिहा.
बट तिथं ओपन आणि ते ऑर्डर येतंय.
काय ओपन येते राणी? हॅलो,
ईडब्ल्यूएस येत नाही. ईडब्ल्यूएस येत नाही.
ईडब्ल्यूएस यस किंवा नो?
मॅम एसएससी ऑप्टेन मार्क म्हणजे पर्सेंटाइल टाकायचं का आपलं?
पर्सेंटाइल. हो हो, पर्सेंटेज किती मिळाले ते टाकायचं.
मॅम फिजिकली चॅलेंज्ड
म्हणजे तुम्ही तुमच्याकडे अपंगत्व काय आहे का? समजा तुम्ही हाताने किंवा पायाने वगैरे असं अपंग आहात का?
बघा सर कॅटेगरी.
मॅडम एचएससी युनिव्हर्सिटी.
हा,
एचएससी युनिव्हर्सिटी.
एचएससी ची युनिव्हर्सिटी नसते, त्याच्या बोर्ड असते, पुणे बोर्ड, मुंबई बोर्ड असं.
मॅम कास्ट
सर्टिफिकेट नंबर कोणते आहे?
SSC आउटकम मार्क्स.
मॅम कास्ट अँड सब कास्ट काय लिहायची?
आपण मराठा
मॅडम,
असेल तर
admitted
हिंदू
category
मराठा
काय लिहायचं?
लिहायचं. सबकास्ट कंपल्सरी
SSC
नाही,
out of
कॉलम
marks.
रिकामा राहू द्या.
हॅलो मॅडम.
हा बोला.
आउट ऑफ मार्क्स.
ऍडमिटेड कॅटेगरी काय लिहायचंय?
मराठा सबकास्ट कंपल्सरी.
ऍडमिटेड कॅटेगरी.
ऍडमिटेड कॅटेगरी म्हणजे तुमची कास्ट लिहा. तुमच्या त्या कॅटेगरी मधून तुम्हाला ऍडमिशन मिळालेलं असते.
SSC आउट ऑफ मार्क्स काय लिहायचं?
आणि कास्ट आणि सब कास्ट काय लिहायचं मॅडम?
कास्ट आणि सबकास्ट का?
हा.
कास्ट तुमची कास्ट लिहा. हिंदू मराठा, हिंदू माळी, हिंदू ब्राह्मण वगैरे वगैरे.
ओके.
ऍडमिटेड ब्रांच.
ऍडमिटेड ब्रँच तुम्हाला ज्या ब्रँचला ऍडमिशन मिळालेलं आहे ती ब्रँच. ऍडमिटेड ब्रँच म्हणजे ज्या ब्रँचला तुम्हाला ऍडमिशन मिळालेलं आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल इलेक्ट्रिकल, मेकॅनिकल, सीएससी वगैरे वगैरे.
मॅम सर्टिफिकेट नंबर कोणते आहे?
आउट ऑफ
मार्क लिस्टच्या 10वीच्या मार्क लिस्टच्या कोपऱ्यात लिहिलेला आहे सर्टिफिकेट नंबर.
SSC आउट ऑफ मार्क्स काय लिहायचंय?
पर्सेंटेज मध्ये लिहा ना, किती मार्क पडलेले किंवा टोटल लिहा, काहीतरी लिहा तिथे.
मॅम सबकास्ट.
सबकास्टच्या ठिकाणी रिकामं सोडा.
क्वालिफिकेशन एसएससी मॅम.
क्वालिफिकेशनच्या तिथं नंतर एचएससी येईल.
मॅडम मार्कशीट नंबर आहे तिथं काय लिहायचं?
मार्कशीट नंबर तुमच्या 10वीच्या मार्क लिस्टच्या कोपऱ्यात नंबर आहे, ती मार्क लिस्ट नंबर लिहायचा.
एसएससी बोर्ड.
एसएससी बोर्ड नसतंय, एसएससी बोर्ड पुणे बोर्ड, मुंबई बोर्ड असं.
मॅम इकॉनॉमिकली विकर सेक्शन.
जर तुमच्याकडे ईडब्ल्यूएस सर्टिफिकेट असेल तर यस म्हणा.
यस म्हणा. ईडब्ल्यूएस सर्टिफिकेट.
मॅम ऍडमिटेड कॅटेगरीच्या तिथे काय लिहायचं?
ऍडमिटेड कॅटेगरी म्हणजे तुम्हाला तुमची कास्ट लिहा, तुमची कास्ट, तुमची जात.
मॅम इकॉनॉमिकल काय होतं?
मॅडम लास्टला डॉक्युमेंट्स अपलोड आले.
अपलोडला आला तर एक फोटो तुमचा अपलोड करा तिथं.
ओके.
मॅम इकॉनॉमिकल.
हा, ईडब्ल्यूएस सर्टिफिकेट असेल तर यस म्हणा, नसेल तर नो म्हणा. राजानो,
मॅम माझी 10वी सीबीएसई मधून झाली.
मग तिथं सीबीएसई लिहा की.
मॅडम माझा ब्लड ग्रुप मला माहित नाही, पण तिथं ब्लड ग्रुप दाखवा म्हणून.
मग कुठला तरी लिहा, अंदाजे लिहा, काय होत नाही त्याला. चुकीचं असलं तरी चालतं.
मॅडम ते बोर्डचं एसएससी बोर्ड लिहू का?
बोर्डचं एसएससी बोर्ड लिहू का?
हा.
मॅडम फिजिकली चॅलेंज मध्ये काय लिहायचं?
अरे त्याच्या फिजिकली चॅलेंज म्हणजे तुम्ही तुमच्याकडे अपंगत्व काय आहे का? समजा तुम्हाला हात पाय वगैरे असं काही नाही का? असं
मॅम ऍडमिटेड कॅटेगरी.
आता किती वेळेस सांगितलं रे, ऐकतच नाही. ऍडमिटेड कॅटेगरी म्हणजे तुमची कास्ट लिहा तिथं.
एंट्री मार्क ऑब्टेन्ड.
ओव्हर
92. 392.
मॅडम अपलोड युअर साईन म्हणते मॅडम.
मग एक सही करायची, सहीचा फोटो काढायचा आणि मग तो गॅलरीत जाईल, तिथला फोटो अपलोड करायचा.
हा मॅडम ठीक.
ग्रुपचा ऑप्शनच
हा
ब्लड ग्रुपचा ऑप्शनच ओपन होत नाही.
होते सगळ्यांचा झाला. ओके, फोटो आणि सही अपलोड करून सबमिट करून टाका. Shall I stop here?
मॅम थोड्या वेळाने सबमिट केल्यावर चालेल का?
मॅम अपलोड युअर फोटो.
हॅलो मॅडम. हॅलो.
SCC स्कूल कॉलेज तिथे हे लिहिलंय ना, पुणे बोर्ड नंबर आहे ना.
सर थोड्या वेळाने सबमिट केल्यावर चालेल का?
तेच करा थोडस.
हॅलो
ओव्हर
सर.
सर.
हा हा.
सर फोटो अपलोड होईना, कसं करायचं?
काय एरर येतोय का काय?
सर इमेज साईज कमी असायला पाहिजे.
बरोबर आहे, पण मोबाईल मध्ये कशी करणार?
सर कम्प्रेस करायचं ऍडोब स्कॅन वगैरे कुठलं तर PDF ह्याच्यात.
बघा येते का त्याची साईज मुळे ते घेत नाही, नाहीतर मग कॉम्प्युटर नसेल तर मग साईज कमी करा. मग
एडिट
घेणार.
करून
एडिट करून ती साईज कमी करावं लागेल.
क्रॉप करून बघ.
Okay, over. Those who are having problem, you can call to madam separately.
सर केलं सबमिट.
Okay, those who have completed, okay, well and good. If not,
सर वी
call.
हॅव टू राईट पुणे बोर्ड ना.
No, that's why I'm asking. Where you have completed? मी सांगा की पंढरपूर मध्ये.
SSC बोर्ड
नाही तुमची 10वी कुठं झाली? पंढरपूर कुठं?
पंढरपूर पुणे
बरं,
बोर्ड.
पुणे बोर्ड. मग पुणे लिहा डायरेक्ट.
सर SSC मार्कशीट नंबर.
सर माझी SSC कराड मधून झाली.
कराड कुठल्या बोर्ड मध्ये येते मग?
सातारा कुठल्या बोर्ड मध्ये?
पुणे, कोल्हापूर.
सर मार्क लिस्ट वर असतंय की बोर्ड?
ते असते मार्क लिस्ट वर. मुंबई, पुणे, कोल्हापूर, आय थिंक नागपूर. कराड आय एम लिटल डाऊटफुल वेर इट इज कमिंग. जस्ट चेक कराड. तुमच्या ह्याच्यावरती बघा. नागपूर एक आहे, मुंबई, पुणे, कोल्हापूर. मे बी अदर औरंगाबाद समथिंग. जस्ट चेक. ओके
सर
हा.
तिथं ईमेल आयडी ला तुमचं नाव आणि फोटो रेकॉर्ड केलं जाणार आहे म्हणते. मग ते ईमेल आयडी ला स्वतःचा फोटो असणं कंपल्सरी आहे का रॅन्डम असतं?
नॉट नो इश्यू. इट विल नॉट हॅपन.
ओके.
काय होणार नाही.
कराड कोल्हापूर बोर्ड मध्ये येते.
कोल्हापूर. ओके, कराड इज इन कोल्हापूर बोर्ड. शुअर?
सर ते फोटो अपलोड करण्यासाठी
Yes, sir.
गॅलरी मध्ये नाही डायरेक्ट डॉक्युमेंट्स मध्ये जाते की
अपलोड करायला गॅलरी मध्ये नाही डॉक्युमेंट, मग तिथे नाही काय फोटो तुमचा डॉक्युमेंट मध्ये?
डॉक्युमेंट्स मध्ये नाहीये.
सर डाव्या कोपऱ्यात वरती 3 लाईन आहेत तिथं गॅलरी सिलेक्ट करावं लागते.
कोपऱ्याला डायरेक्ट
वर
वरती.
डाव्या साईडला वर.
ओके, तिथं काय 3 रेषा आहेत काढव्या?
हा त्यात मग गॅलरी सिलेक्ट करून करता येते.
हा हा, 3 अशा हॉरिझॉन्टल लाईन आहेत तिथे क्लिक करा कॉर्नरला.
स्क्रीनवर गॅलरी सर एसएससी मार्कशीट नंबर फ्रॉम वेअर?
तुमचा मार्कशीट नंबर, मार्कशीट वरचा सीट नंबर आहे बहुतेक तो, मार्कशीट नंबर नाही.
हॅलो सर, ज्यांचं झालं त्यांनी लिव्ह करायचं का?
थांबा थोडं, एक लास्ट 5 मिनिट.
I don't know where is this.
व्हॉट?
सर त्या
Mark
3
number.
रेषा कुठे येतात?
हा,
त्या 3 रेषा कुठे येतात?
डावीकडे.
स्क्रीनवर दिसतंय गॅलरी म्हणून.
Okay, those who have completed you can leave, and those who are having problem you can contact to madam. We will stop here.
सर सबमिट केले मी, सबमिट झालं.
सबमिट झाला असेल तर ओके, रोल नंबर सांगा, चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये टाका, मी अटेंडन्स घेतो. We will stop for
सर
today.
कळत नाही, फक्त अपलोड म्हणतोय.
We will see. Either you call to me or madam. We will see what to do. Remaining you give your numbers and you can leave. Afterwards we will see remaining part. Thank you. And see the problem whichever we have solved. We will see tomorrow next part, that is momentum, very important. This we are going to see tomorrow, moment of force. Shall I stop the lecture? Those who are having problem, you call to madam and just check what it is happening. Okay. Others, those who have given attendance, you can leave.
सर
हम्म.
गुणपत्रिकेचा अनुक्रमांक मीन्स मार्कशीट नंबर ना?
हा.